yeah, here.
They are good. I've had them.
Here.
What? I guess we need to take our photo.
Oh, take a photo. Well. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. Today we are doing a backyard barbecue, which is the perfect weather for it. It's sunny and warm and pretty out. So every barbecue doesn't have to be hard. It could be super easy. Today we are going to make barbecue chicken cheesy fries. They're super easy. I got a half a bag of frozen criss cut fries. You could do this in the oven. We're gonna do it on the barbecue because I got a Traeger smoke grill. So it's gonna get some of that smoke flavor into the French fries and then the toppings when we put them on. So right now I set the grill to 450. It's gonna heat up. We're gonna cook the fries just like you normally would in an oven. So we'll stick them in here. Woo, hot. Leave them in there for about 15 minutes. Come back, take them out, put some topping on it, heat it back up, then eat it. Okay, so I went ahead and took out the French fries. They're nice and crispy. I have pulled pork barbecue chicken, so we're gonna use this today, but you use your favorite toppings. So we're gonna put some cheese, some grated cheddar cheese. I'm doing it on the first layer because whatever lands on the bottom is nice and crispy. I like crispy cheese. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some of this pulled barbecue chicken. Now you wanna layer it on because everybody wants a little bite of meat in every single bite they get. I've got a little helicopter flying over. Okay, look at that. Does that look amazing? Amazing and delicious. Yeah, just go ahead and use it all. What the heck, right? Nobody wants to have a little bite in the bowl. There you go. See that? Woo! It's hot. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some bacon bits. Just get some bacon fried up in a pan, crunch it up in little bits. I also do bacon in my microwave, or if I need to do a lot of bacon, I'll put it in a baking sheet and put it in the oven. It's quick, clean, easy. You could do it that way. Look at that. Yes. Do you want more? Yeah. Of course you want more. You're bacon fanatics. Then we're gonna put some more cheese on top, another layer. Woo! How does that look? Yummy? And what the heck, just throw it all on there. And then I have some nacho cheese. Not your cheese, but my cheese. And this just adds a little spice, a little creaminess to the crunchy texture, and a little flavor. Just like that. So we're gonna put it back into the Traeger. Then when I take it out, I'm gonna put some scallions, some olives, and some sour cream on top. And then we're gonna eat it up. Okay, so I went ahead and I took off. They were in there about 15 minutes. Took them off. They're nice and golden hot. So we're gonna go ahead and top it. Top it with your favorite flavors. If you want to put some pickled jalapenos on it or some red onion. I would do all of that. Today, we're just gonna put some sour cream, some olives, some chives or green onion. We're having people over later. So what I would do if I was serving this for a group of people is you might just want to leave it on the tray and let them serve themselves. Let them dollop their own. Maybe they don't like spicy. I do. Look at that. Does that look amazing? Let me show it to you. It's hot. What? Did you say delicious? I think you did. Well, you could come on over. We are having a pool party. Oh, excuse me, a pool party. And you could have some of this. All right. Oh, I'll have to make you another one. This one's not going to last but 5 minutes with the people around here. Well, I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite beer is on an outdoor barbecue. Thank you for showing up, and we'll see you next time.